So here we are on my LightX homepage. First things first, let's go to the editor tools and click on See All under Video Editing Tools. As you can see, there are a bunch of video editing tools. Feel free to give those a try, but for now, in this tutorial, we're going to focus on how to remove audio from video. Select this tool and you will find yourself redirected to a page. You can easily find the link to this tool in the description box below. Here you can see the option of upload video, where you can easily upload the video from your device, or you can simply select drag and drop. LightX also provides sample videos that you can try. I will upload a video from my device. Let's choose this video and click. Our video has been uploaded. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you can see this icon which shows the audio in the video. As soon as you click on this button, your audio will be turned off, and you can see this cross beside this icon which indicates that your audio has been muted. Your video will be muted without a cringe. LightX interface is so easy to use and beginner friendly that you don't need to wander anywhere else or look for complex processes to remove audio. Trust me when I say this, the output video is so neat and smoothly rendered that nobody would ever know that you have removed audio from this one. Adding any audio later is totally your choice afterward. Take a look through the play button. The audio file is no longer available as the audio has been removed. Moreover, you can also add another audio file to the video by going to the music section. You can choose from the LightX stock, which provides you so many options of amazing tracks, or you can also upload your desired audio in case you have anything specific in your mind. We have a separate video for this tutorial on adding music to a video. You can check that out on our channel. You can find the link in the description box below. Also, if you want us to make tutorials on LightX Editor on any specific topic, comment down below and let us know. We will try our best to provide you with quick and easy tutorial videos so that you can make the most out of LightX Editor. For now, we wanted to remove the audio from our video and we have successfully done it. So finally, name your file at the top and click on this save button. As soon as this button turns green, your file edits are saved. Resize your video if you want, and lastly, click on the export button and choose your resolution and quality. Click the export video and your video will be saved to your device. That's it, super easy and quick.